Ever pondered over the complexities of Forex trading while trying to maintain a balanced lifestyle? The constant need to monitor the market, analyze trends, and make calculated decisions can indeed become overwhelming. But what if there was an innovative solution that could simplify this process? Welcome to the world of AI-powered Forex trading. Imagine a tool that tirelessly works round the clock, analyzing the market, predicting trends, and executing trades while you enjoy a cup of coffee or even while you sleep. This isn't a dream, but a reality made possible by our AI tool, designed specifically for Forex trading. The operation of this tool is quite simple. It starts by analyzing multiple Forex markets, identifying profitable trading opportunities using advanced algorithms. The AI scrutinizes past and present data, interpreting complex patterns that would take hours for a human to analyze. Once the AI identifies a potential trade, it proceeds to the next step, risk assessment. It calculates the potential profits and losses, considering various factors such as market volatility, liquidity, and the overall economic climate. With its calculated risk assessment, the AI tool then executes the trade. It places a buy or sell order in the market, depending on the predicted trend. And the beauty of it all? It does this in real time, ensuring you don't miss out on any profitable opportunities. Now, let's bring it all together. The AI tool takes care of the tedious and time-consuming aspects of Forex trading. It meticulously analyzes the market, predicts trends, assesses risks, and executes trades. It works 24/7, allowing you to focus on other essential aspects of your life. But the real charm lies in its benefits. With this AI tool, you can expect increased efficiency and accuracy in your trades. It eliminates human error and bias, providing you with objective, data-driven decisions. Plus, it saves you time and energy, allowing you to enjoy your life without constantly worrying about the state of the Forex market. In conclusion, this AI tool isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's an assistant that works tirelessly, ensuring you reap profits from the Forex market while you enjoy your adventures. It's about time we embrace the future of Forex trading. And that future, my friends, is AI.